Simple English with Anna and Mark. Daily life and routines. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English with Anna and Mark.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone listening.
How are you today, Mark?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. I'm happy to be here again.
Me too. I'm ready to learn English.
Wonderful. Today we will learn some easy English. We will learn how to talk about ourselves and our daily life.
That's perfect for me.
Yes, for all beginners too. Part 1. Saying hello and introducing yourself. Let's start with greetings. How do you say hello?
I can say hello or hi.
Good. You can also say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Perfect. When we meet someone new, we can say, "My name is Anna."
My name is Mark.
Very good. You can also say, "I'm Mark."
I'm Mark.
Excellent. Then you can ask, "What's your name?"
What's your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Anna. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mark.
That was easy.
Yes, good job. Part 2. Talking about where you're from.
Okay.
I can say, "I'm from England."
I'm from Vietnam.
Nice. You can also say, "I come from Vietnam."
I come from Vietnam.
Both are good. Now you can ask, "Where are you from?"
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
That's easy.
Yes, it is. You can also say, I live in."
I live in Hanoi.
Great. I live in London.
So, I'm from Vietnam. I live in Hanoi.
Perfect sentence. Part 3. Talking about your family. Let's talk about family. How many people are in your family, Mark?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
My father, my mother, my brother, and me.
Very good. What does your father do?
My father is a driver.
And your mother?
My mother is a teacher.
Nice. Let's learn some words. Father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter, grandfather, grandmother.
Father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter, grandfather, grandmother.
Excellent pronunciation.
Thank you.
You can also say dad for father and mom for mother.
Dad, mom.
That's right. Can you tell me about your sister?
My sister is 18 years old. She is a student.
That's great. Do you get along well?
Yes, we do. She is funny.
That's nice. Part 4. Talking about your daily routine. Now let's talk about daily routines. What time do you get up, Mark?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Early. What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower.
Good. Then,
I eat breakfast.
what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat noodles.
Sounds delicious. Then what do you do?
I go to work at 8 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
How long does it take?
It takes about 30 minutes.
That's not bad.
I work from 8:30 to 5.
What do you do after work?
I go home, take a shower, and have dinner.
Then what?
I watch TV or read a book.
Nice way to relax. What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30.
Great. You have a busy day. Part 7. Talking about food and meals. What's your favorite food, Mark?
I like rice and chicken.
Me too. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like bananas and apples.
Healthy choice. Do you cook?
Sometimes I can cook rice and eggs.
That's a good start. And what do you usually drink?
I drink coffee in the morning and water all day.
That's good. Water is important.
What about you, Anna?
I like tea and juice.
Oh, I like juice too.
Part 6. Talking about work and study. What do you do, Mark?
I work in an office.
What kind of work?
I help with computers and emails.
So you work with technology.
Yes, a little.
Do you like your job?
Yeah, it's okay. My coworkers are nice.
That's important. Do you work every day?
No, I work from Monday to Friday.
So you have weekends off.
Yeah, I rest on Saturday and Sunday.
That's nice. Do you study English after work?
Yes, I study English every evening.
Good job. That's why your English is improving.
Thank you, teacher.
Part 7. Talking about time and days. Let's review time. What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:30.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8:30.
Let's say the days of the week.
Okay,
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. What's your favorite day?
Saturday,
Why?
because I can sleep late.
I like that too. Part 8. Talking about hobbies and free time. What do you do in your free time, Mark?
I listen to music and watch movies.
Nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Me too. Who is your favorite singer?
I like Ed Sheeran.
He's great. Do you play any instruments?
No, but I want to learn guitar.
That's a nice goal. Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading short stories in English.
That's a great way to practice. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football on Sundays.
Cool. With friends?
Yes, we play in the park.
Do you win?
Sometimes.
Do you go to the gym?
No, but I like walking.
Walking is good exercise.
Yes, I walk to the bus stop every day.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I eat vegetables and drink water.
Excellent. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
I like sunny weather.
Me too.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer
Why?
because I can go swimming.
Nice. I like spring. The flowers are pretty.
Yes, spring is beautiful.
Do you like rain?
Not really. I don't like getting wet.
Haha, same here. Do you like shopping, Mark?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you like to buy?
Clothes and shoes.
Do you go to the mall?
Yes, or I buy online.
Online shopping is easy.
Yes, but sometimes it's expensive.
True. How often do you go shopping?
Maybe once a week.
Not bad. How do you go to work again?
I go by bus.
Do you like taking the bus?
It's okay. It's cheap.
That's good. Do you sometimes walk?
Yes, if the weather is nice.
How long does it take to walk to your office?
About 25 minutes.
That's a good walk. Do you like to travel, Mark?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where have you been?
I have been to Da Nang and Ho Chi Minh City.
Nice. Did you like it there?
Yes, very much. The food was delicious.
I want to visit Vietnam one day.
You should. It's beautiful.
Where do you want to go next?
I want to visit Japan.
Great choice. Tell me about your home.
I live in an apartment.
Is it big or small?
It's small but cozy.
How many rooms are there?
3 rooms, a bedroom, a living room, and a kitchen.
Nice. What color is your room?
It's blue.
Blue is relaxing.
Yes, I like it.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a small dog.
Really? What's its name?
Its name is Lucky.
Cute. How do you feel today?
I feel happy
That's great. Why are you happy?
because I'm learning English.
Aw, that's sweet. Let's learn some words. Happy, sad, tired, hungry, angry, excited.
Happy, sad, tired, hungry, angry, excited.
Excellent. How do you feel after work?
I feel tired but good.
Good answer. What is your dream, Mark?
I want to speak English very well.
You will.
Thank you. I also want to travel to many countries.
That's a wonderful dream. What do you want to do in the future?
I want to learn new skills and get a better job.
Great goal. Keep going.
What about you, Anna?
My dream is to help many students learn English.
You're doing it right now.
Thank you, Mark. What are your plans for the weekend?
I will meet my friends and play football.
Sounds fun. What about you?
I will visit my parents.
That's nice. How about Sunday?
I will rest and watch a movie.
Perfect weekend. Let's review what we learned today.
Okay.
We learned greetings, family, daily routines, and hobbies.
Yes. Hi, I'm Mark. I'm from Vietnam. I live in Hanoi.
Great sentence. We learned to talk about food and weather.
I like rice and chicken. It's sunny today.
Excellent. We learned about time and days.
I get up at 6. I work from Monday to Friday.
Perfect. We also learned how to talk about dreams.
I want to speak English well.
And you will. You did an amazing job today, Mark.
Thank you, Anna. You are a kind teacher.
Thank you. And thank you to everyone listening to our podcast.
Yes, thank you all.
Keep practicing every day.
Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. That's all for today's episode of Simple English with Anna and Mark.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.